Booking a Royal Caribbean cruise sounds easy, until you realize you could overpay by hundreds of dollars, or pick the wrong cabin and regret it for 7 days straight. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to and what to book for your cruise step by step. Step 1. Picking the right cruise. First things first, you need to choose the right cruise. Not all Royal Caribbean cruises are the same. Log on to royalcaribbean.com. Click on Find a Cruise, and search all cruises. Now click on All filters. Choose a departure port, place closest to where you would like to cruise from. For each destination this may differ. Next, select your destination. Now, select the cruise dates. The farther the dates, the better deals you get. Apply and sort the results from price, lowest to highest. If you are a first-timer, I would suggest you to look for a 2 to 5 day. Here, you can see ship name, the price and how many nights on a cruise. The cruise ports listed here are the places the ship will be stopping at during the cruise duration. Perfect Day at Coco Cay is Royal Caribbean's private island, where again you would have unlimited inclusive dining options and other paid activities. To view the available cruise dates, click on the View Date. I am looking at an August cruise date, and the cruise for 4 nights. The price is expensive for the closer date. These are the available room options for the selected cruise dates. The rooms listed here are interior, outside view, balcony and suite. The interior and outside view do not have any windows, and if you are claustrophobic, please refrain from there too. All the staterooms can accommodate up to 4 people, and come with bunk beds from the ceiling. Balcony usually offers an ocean view, neighborhood view or the boardwalk. Suite is another option that comes with a balcony and also can come with 2-story 2-bed, 2-bath structure. For this example, I am choosing the balcony option. Here, in the room configuration, you can select up to 4 people, 1 adult is mandatory. These are the things included in your cruise for the price shown. You can confirm your cruise itinerary here. It provides you with the time we depart, the days we explore an island, just being on the ship, cruising, and when we arrive back. Let's continue back with the room selection. Here you will see 2 options, one where Royal Caribbean chooses the room for you and the other where you get to choose your room. You will also notice there is about a $100 price difference between the two. If you do not get nauseous or seasick, then you could look at the option provided by Royal Caribbean, as these may be on the upper levels of the ship. Let's look at the option where you get to choose the deck and the room. Royal Selects is the rooms auto chosen by Royal Caribbean, which cannot be changed later, and are pre-assigned. Under Select Your Room, you get to choose where you want your balcony to be facing. My favorite is the ocean view, but everyone differs, so you could pick your favorite. The options are Boardwalk View, Central Park View and lastly the Ocean View. Continue your room selection. Decks are the levels of the ship. 6 and 7 are the lower deck, 8, 9 the middle and 10, 11, 12 the upper deck. If you feel motion sickness or nauseous, your best bet would be the lower deck. They are much more stable and also much quicker. Then you have the ship location, aft, mid and FWD. Aft is the back of the ship, mid the middle and FWD is the front of the ship. Again, for stability, mid would be your best bet. You choose your room with the deck you would prefer in the rooms in purple, which shows you where the rooms are located on each deck with the location. Each deck would also display the restaurants, the entertainment sections, shops or other retail areas. Once you have your room selected, let's move on to the add-ons. Here, you would have the choice to select your dining preference. The ship usually has a main dining area and the windjammer section where you have a large section of buffet with global cuisine. For the main dining, you need to make reservations using your Royal Caribbean app. Instead, you could also add it here as an add-on for the main dining. But be mindful of the time reservations, they are pretty strict with the time and the number of people in your party. Gratuities is something we avoided paying up front, as you could pay it even on your last day of cruise. Also, you may not use up the whole amount paid for when you do it up front. Refundable deposit is an option, but again it is very expensive as you are paying up to double the price of your cruise fare. Travel protection is something you could utilize if there is a chance you may not be able to make it. Finally, review your cruise and go on to fill out the passenger information. Make sure you provide the exact details as matching on your driver license or passport. Also, make sure you have all your paperwork in place before you travel international as you would for the airlines. After filling out the information, you could pay up due the day of booking to hold the reservation and pay up the rest before the sailing date. You will be sent an email with the reminder to pay up in full to confirm your reservation. Thanks for watching this video, and if you felt this to be helpful and would like to get more such informative videos, do like and subscribe. Until next time, happy cruising. Adventures with Sabi signing off.